In the intricate web of existence, the law of divine oneness weaves a thread of profound wisdom that transcends boundaries, beliefs, and time. This universal law proclaims that everything is interconnected and interdependent, forming an intricate tapestry where all beings, objects, and actions are part of a unified whole. The law of divine oneness teaches us that the separation we perceive is an illusion, and in truth, we are all threads in the same cosmic fabric. In this exploration, we delve into the essence of the law of divine oneness, uncovering the sacred truth that binds all of existence into a harmonious dance of unity. The law of divine oneness is a foundational principle that echoes across spiritual traditions and philosophical teachings throughout history. At its core, it conveys the idea that everything in the universe is interconnected and inseparable. This interconnectedness encompasses not only living beings but also the entire cosmos, including the seemingly inanimate objects and the subtle energies that pervade all of existence. Key aspects of the law of divine oneness are unity in diversity. The law of divine oneness underscores that while diversity is apparent in the world, there is an underlying unity that binds all of creation. Every individual, every species, and every element contributes to the intricate balance and harmony of the whole. Interdependence. The law emphasizes that every action, no matter how small, has an impact on the interconnected web of existence. Just as a single thread affects the integrity of the tapestry, each thought, emotion, and action ripples through the collective consciousness. Holistic perspective. The law of divine oneness invites us to shift our perspective from fragmentation to wholeness. It encourages us to view the world through a lens of interconnectedness, recognizing that the separation we perceive is merely a reflection of our limited perception. Universal compassion. This law fosters a sense of universal compassion and empathy. When we realize that every being is a part of us and we are a part of them, compassion naturally arises, transcending the boundaries of self and other. Awareness. The journey of embracing the law of divine oneness begins with cultivating awareness. Observe the interconnected nature of your surroundings, relationships, and actions. Recognize the inherent unity that underlies all experiences. Shift in perspective. Consciously shift your perspective from separation to unity. Practice seeing the connections and interdependencies between all aspects of life, fostering a deeper sense of kinship with the world around you. Mindful actions. Recognize that your actions have a far-reaching impact. Approach each action with mindfulness, considering its effects not only on yourself but also on the interconnected web of existence. Compassionate living. Embrace compassion as a guiding principle in your interactions. Extend your empathy beyond your immediate circle to embrace the broader tapestry of life, fostering a sense of responsibility for the well-being of all. Ancient wisdom. Ancient spiritual teachings, such as indigenous wisdom, recognized the interdependence of all life forms long before modern science confirmed it. These traditions emphasized the sacredness of all beings and the interconnected relationship between humans, nature, and the cosmos. Eastern philosophies, Eastern traditions, such as Hinduism and Buddhism, emphasize the concept of interconnectedness through the teachings of karma and reincarnation. These philosophies acknowledge the impact of our actions on the collective consciousness. Western spirituality. Even in Western spiritual traditions, the concept of unity and interconnectedness is present. Christianity, for instance, teaches that all of humanity is part of the body of Christ, highlighting the spiritual unity among believers. Case studies in unity. Environmental conservation. The law of divine oneness has spurred environmental movements worldwide. Recognizing that the well-being of the planet is intertwined with our own, individuals and organizations work toward conserving nature and restoring ecological balance. Global solidarity. In times of crisis, the law's wisdom becomes evident. Global events, such as pandemics, reveal the interconnectedness of humanity. Acts of solidarity and support demonstrate the universal bond that transcends geographical and cultural boundaries. Challenges and growth. Illusion of separation. The illusion of separation poses a significant challenge in embracing the law of divine oneness. Our perception often leads us to believe in distinct boundaries, hindering our ability to recognize the underlying unity. Egocentric perspective. The egocentric perspective prioritizes the individual's desires and needs over the greater good. Overcoming this challenge involves transcending self-centered tendencies and embracing the greater interconnected whole. Resistance to change. The law of divine oneness encourages us to adopt a broader perspective that challenges traditional ways of thinking. Resistance to change can hinder our ability to fully embrace the law's wisdom. The law of divine oneness is a powerful reminder that beneath the surface of diversity and separation lies a boundless unity that connects all of existence. This profound truth invites us to see the world through the lens of interconnectedness, fostering empathy, compassion, and a deep sense of responsibility for the well-being of all beings and the planet. In a world marked by divisions, the law of divine oneness offers a timeless wisdom that transcends cultural, religious, and geographical boundaries. It is a guiding light that encourages us to recognize the sacred thread that weaves us all together, a thread that unites us not just as humans but as integral parts of the cosmic symphony. By embracing this law, we embark on a journey of profound transformation, where the recognition of our interconnectedness leads us toward a more harmonious, compassionate, and unified existence.